In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with just a few clicks of a button, using a unique new software tool that has never been revealed to anyone before. If you're anticipating knowing what I'm talking about, just stick around because I'll explain everything in this short video. This unique software will do all of the hard work for you. It will handle the sending emails part and earn you money. More importantly, it will do this for the benefit of your passive income. But before I start, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. The first site that I will be sharing with you today and the one that will be paying us is called vfly.com. You may have heard of this site, but chances are you haven't because it isn't that common. So let me briefly introduce vFly to you. vFly is simply a place where you can buy YouTube views. And I'm not talking about buying fake YouTube views. They'll get you genuine views by using Google Ads, which effectively advertises your video of choice, resulting in getting more attention from people. Now let me be clear to you, you will not be making money through YouTube, so I will not tell you to record a video or whatever and then go on to vFly and pay them to increase the number of views for that video. Nothing like that. This is the website that will be paying us, not the other way around. So I will be going over the features of this website. They are relevant to us and our purpose right now, and you can see what they have to offer. Without wasting much time, here's the first step that you should take once you arrive at vFly. Scroll down to the bottom of the website and then click on Affiliates under the Explore section. So by now you can already tell that we will be marketing this website as an affiliate. And I'd say that this platform is one of the finest websites to advertise as an affiliate today if you have no skills or experience. This is perfectly beginner-friendly, and here's why. Few people are aware of vFly, so it's not common. It has only received 160,000 visits in the last month. And this is very important because if you are promoting a well-known website to people, chances are some of them have already heard of it, which means that you will receive less clicks onto your affiliate link and you won't be able to make more money. The second key thing about vFly is that it has positive Trustpilot ratings. Having positive ratings is good since it persuades people to check out the website. Getting someone to buy what you're selling is in general the most difficult step, especially when they have to invest just a little bit more money. With positive reviews though, people will be a little more open to making a purchase, and you will be paid anytime that they do. Finally, the nicest part about this service is who the clients are. These are individuals who want to build their YouTube channel, and there are dozens of millions of people who have a pretty big channel, as you can see, with thousands of people who have already joined, and more are joining every single day. Your customer pool is virtually limitless, and it will dramatically increase your potential for profits. And more importantly, it will allow you to earn passive income without doing anything. Now, before we continue, it is important to note that you won't make a lot of money for each individual you recommend. This is because vFly gives 15% commissions, which isn't much. However, I don't think this is a big deal given the huge benefits, like the seemingly unlimited customer pool that I just mentioned. Anyway, once you've read more about vFly's affiliate program and all of the benefits that it provides, you'll want to sign up for the affiliate program. To do so, simply click here to become an affiliate. On the next page, you will be asked to sign in, but if you don't have an account yet, go here to make one. From here, you can sign up with Google, which is much faster than email, and in each case, you'll need to fill out a bunch of information. Your full name in these two boxes, email and password in these two boxes, then retype your password in the box below, tick this box, and click Sign Up to complete the process. Once you've logged into your new account, you'll be able to grab your affiliate link, and anyone who clicks on it will be redirected to vFly, where if they make a purchase, you'll get paid. The only thing left now is the issue of getting traffic, and even though I said that you'll have an endless customer pool, you will still need to look for people who would want to start their own YouTube channel, and you can leverage YouTube itself. Here's how you can do that. Type in something along the lines of how to gain more views on YouTube, how to grow YouTube, or how to build a YouTube channel, or anything remotely similar. You don't have to use these exact phrases, just something similar. In any case, YouTube will now show you a lot of videos, and the next step is to find ones that are recent and not more than 2 or 3 months old. To do so, go to the filter section and then select this month, or you can manually search for newer videos. Either way, you'll need to open up a few of them and read the comments section. The perfect clients may be found in the YouTube comments section, since these folks who have all posted comments on these specific videos are all interested in building a YouTube channel, because aside from watching the video in question, they have probably taken the time to write everything, and there is a good probability that if you contact some of them, they will at least check out what vFly is all about. You may contact them in one of two ways. by email, or by replying to a specific comment. The first option is slightly preferable, but it has a major flaw because not everyone's email address is available. To find it, go over to a channel, go to the About section over here, then scroll down. If you don't see an email address, you're out of luck. But if you do, you can contact them, and what you would say either in the email or in the reply is essentially the same. Go over all of the VFly features and tell them that it's fantastic for growing on YouTube and that it is 100% legit. Simply type something along those lines and respond to all of these folks. And when one of them makes the purchase, which will inevitably happen over time, you will earn. Furthermore, everyone who sees your comment with your affiliate link may check out VFly, not only the person you're talking to. This has a huge potential to make you a lot of money online and in passive income, and every time anybody purchases through your link, which many will, you will earn a lot of money. It's that easy. YouTube is a great traffic source, and that's it. If you want to learn how you can earn $1,200 per month for the rest of your life, click here. This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.